These are the best egg noodles I've ever had in my life. They're tiny little baby mushrooms now. Every culture that consumes chicken has their own variation of chicken soup, and some is better than others. Nope. This is mine. It's an East meets West sort of thing, taking my love for noodles and marrying them to the soup stock I grew up with. Let's start with the chicken stock. For that, we'll need some tried and true flavors. I'm not worrying about cut size because these will boil for 40 minutes and all their flavor will transfer to the broth. 40 minutes on high means we have some time to prep the veggies. You've heard me say it before, but I'll repeat it. Whatever spoon you use should dictate the size of your soup ingredients. You can roll cut your carrots like we did in the sauteed carrot video, or you can be boring and just slice them like I do here. Clean your mushrooms before you trim the stems. You're looking to remove any chunks of dirt. Some people peel their mushrooms, I don't, but it's your soup. Do you. When the chicken stock is finished, vent it and strain out the chunky bits. You can blend up the veggies and put that concoction back in your soup, but I just strain them out and dip the veggies in soy sauce. While the chicken cools, let's make some noodles. You can make them in a bowl, but frankly, this looks way cooler and will impress everyone but the cat. Mix the dough with a scraper or spoon until you can get your hands on it without it sticking to them. Now, you don't have to add turmeric to these noodles, but because I'm a slave to the gram, this makes the noodles look extra eggy. This is my life. After a 5-minute knead, cover the dough and throw it in the fridge. While that cools, let's shred our chicken. I'm using forks because I didn't wait for it to cool. Some of these bones are small, so be careful. Look, we have a pile of chicken! I won't use all this in the soup, but you can if you're working on your gains. That's gains with a Z. Now we add our prepped ingredients to the stock. This will only take another 10 minutes to cook. We're just heating it until the carrots are soft and the mushrooms have shrunk. So push the sauté button and grab your noodle maker. Special thanks to my favorite Canadian for letting me borrow his family heirloom. Cut your dough in half and smush it until it fits into the widest setting. Squish, turn to a thinner setting, squish, repeat, repeat, repeat. When you get to a penny's thickness, fold the noodle dough onto itself. Turn to the thickest setting and start squishing again. Now take it to where you can see through it. Thin, long noodles are delicious. Cut them, but make sure you're flouring them as they come out. Sticky noodles are the worst. Don't forget to salt your water before you throw in your noodles. This adds flavor to your Instagram pasta. These only take a few minutes to cook. When they float, they're done. Strain and shock them with cold water. The soup is plenty hot enough to heat them back up, and the shocking adds a little extra springy perfection you're about to enjoy. Dump in some chicken, and you're ready to eat. Chicken noodle soup. These noodles are perfect. These noodles are absolutely wonderful. These are the best egg noodles I've ever had in my life. Oh, these are definitely the best egg noodles I've ever had in my life. Chicken's perfect. It's got a little hint of that bay leaf and that celery. All the flavors are in here. The carrots are perfectly soft. The onions in here, translucent, still a little crunch to them because no one likes eating powder, mushy onions. Chicken is wonderful. It's not powdery, which means it's not overdone. The broth is wonderful. It's rich and smooth and silky. These noodles are such the star of the show though. Oh my gosh, I miss noodle houses so much. I don't do small noodles in chicken noodle soup. Asian style, guys. It's absolutely wonderful. You have to do it. Super healthy, super delicious, super easy. Make this at home. Don't forget to like, share this with someone who needs a little bit of a pick-me-up in this cold winter. New video coming out next week. You guys are the best. Don't eat crappy food. Live intentionally, eat intentionally. Make someone's day better. See you guys next time. This is it.